Hey there, automotive enthusiasts! Today, we've got something special for all you car lovers out there. If you're someone who wants to take control of your car's performance and unlock its full potential, you're in the right place. I present to you the UDIAG A200 OBD-II car scanner, the ultimate tool for understanding and optimizing your vehicle's performance. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. First impressions, right out of the box, the UDIAG A200 feels sturdy and well made. It's not the fanciest looking scanner on the block, but the rubberized casing feels grippy and ready for greasy garage hands. The buttons are large and responsive, and the color screen is bright and easy to read, even in direct sunlight. Setting up the scanner was a breeze. Just plug it into your car's OBD port and follow the on-screen instructions. No need for a computer science degree, thankful. Feast your eyes on this sleek and powerful device. The UDIAG A200 is not just an ordinary OBD-II scanner, it's your car's best friend. Let's dive into its incredible features. Wide vehicle compatibility. The UDIAG A200 is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, making it suitable for all car enthusiasts. Whether you drive a sedan, SUV, truck, or even a hybrid, this OBD-II scanner has got you covered. Real-time diagnostics. With its advanced real-time diagnostic capabilities, the UDIAG A200 allows you to monitor your car's engine performance, identify potential issues, and even clear trouble codes with just a few clicks. Say goodbye to those mysterious warning lights. Full system scan reads codes and data from all major car systems, including engine, transmission, ABS, seniors airbags, and more. Special reset functions: oil light reset, EPB brake pad reset, SAS steering angle sensor, calibration, and more. Availability varies by vehicle. Live data streaming. The A200 lets you access live data streaming from various sensors in your vehicle. You can monitor parameters like engine speed, coolant temperature, and fuel system status in real time. It's like having a personal dashboard for your car. Performance tuning. But wait, there's more. The UDIAG A200 isn't just about diagnostics. It's also a performance tuner. Unlock hidden horsepower, improve fuel efficiency, and customize your driving experience with the touch of a button. User-friendly interface. Now, let's talk about the user-friendly interface. The A200 comes with a large, easy-to-read display and intuitive navigation buttons, ensuring that you can effortlessly access all the features and information you need. Lifetime free updates. Stay up to date with the latest vehicle software and bug fixes. Here are some pros and cons about UDIAG A200 OBD-II car scanner. Pros: affordable, easy to use, wide range of features, free updates. Cons: limited vehicle compatibility. Overall, the UDIAG A200 is a solid OBD-II scanner that punches above its weight. It's packed with useful features, easy to use, and delivers real value for money. While it might not replace a professional mechanic for complex repairs, it's a fantastic tool for any car owner who wants to take control of their vehicle's health and avoid unnecessary repair bills. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a budget-conscious driver, the UDIAG A200 is definitely worth checking out. So there you have it, folks, the UDIAG A200 OBD-II car scanner, your ticket to a smarter, more efficient, and more powerful driving experience. Take control of your car's performance like never before. Get your UDIAG A200 today and start unleashing the true potential of your vehicle. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting automotive content. Until next time, happy driving!